everyone, Huawei Mate 20 series began to download EMUI 12 in the global market. This is a quite interesting movement for the corresponding consumers. That's not it. Huawei 20 models in Middle East has also begun to install EMUI 12, beginning from the Saudi Arabia. Therefore, if you own Huawei Mate 20 device, then it is recommended you to install the software update on your smartphone. As per the information, Huawei is seeding EMUI 12 with version 12.0.0.132 for Mate 20 users in Middle East. These phone users can download the software update gradually via the software update section. Going to settings, tap on system and updates, click on software updates and follow on-screen instructions to download and install the update. EMUI 12 comes with the new features such as change in user interface and made it like Harmony OS operating system, which is currently limited to the Chinese market. These models currently run on HMOS in China for a long time. The Mate 20 series users have waiting to install in the global market. Therefore, EMUI 12 is a great opportunity to experience the perfect impersonation of the Harmony OS in the global market. That's it for now. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up, leave your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.